How to add QR code in Wix website. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add QR code in your Wix website. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to generate the QR code. So for that, what you can do is open up Canva in your device. Go to canva.com. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're here, head towards this custom size design from this interface. Now for the width, keep it 1080, and for the height also keep it 1080. Then click on create new design. So once you have this design on your interface, now you could create a QR code. Navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on apps. Scroll down a bit and here is apps, click on it. Once you're under apps, click on the search bar at the top. Now search for QR code. From the search results, go to the first one here and click on it. So once you're here, it will ask you to enter the URL. So here you have to add a URL and then a QR code will be generated for your URL. Here you can add URL either to your videos, to your profiles, your Instagram or your Facebook profiles, or to any images or video. So for now, I will just add one of the URL from a video in YouTube. Once you're done with that, here if you go to customize, now you could also customize your URL as well. Once you're done with that, now click on generate code. Now you will see a QR code displayed in your interface according to the URL that you have added. Now you could resize this QR. Click on this arrow right here, drag it and place it in your design. So there you go. Once you have this QR, then you have to download this. Click on share button at the top right corner and here go to download, and you could download this QR code in PNG format, then click on download. Now once this QR code is downloaded completely, head back to your Wix website and now you could add your QR code here. Click on this plus icon at the top left corner and here click on image. Go to upload and import and here go to upload image. Now all you can do is go to your downloads and here click on this image, then drag and drop this right here. Now this image or your QR code has been added. Click on your QR code, go to add to page. There you go. Now you have this QR code. Again, resize this QR code and then drag it and place it somewhere that you want to add in your website. So that's it. That's how you can add QR code in Wix website, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.